Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. It's your girl Cyn
and I'm Ariel,
and we just filmed a really cute video for you guys. We're showing you guys how you can get a fully beat face or
a natural glossy woke up like this look
with just 8 products, guys. Just 8 products. It's literally that simple.
Check out our lookbook. It will be linked down below because you know it's banging.
I put my heart, soul into editing that, so make sure you guys watch it, okay? Or else we're coming for you.
I'll actually come for you.
I don't have anything doing. So if you guys want to see how we got these looks, then make sure you stay tuned and keep watching. Okay, so we're starting with our primer, guys.
It says Bulgarian toning water and essential oil. What does that mean?
I hate when things come in like taken from the minerals of the Dead Sea. Like, okay, like what does that mean? Like priming is like really important to like prep your skin. It's probably like one of the most important steps. So if you're going for like a natural, you have to know what type of skin you have. So like if you have oily skin, I like this one because I feel like it mattifies and it keeps me matte all day.
I have dry skin and I like the glowy look when I'm going like no makeup. And this one is really good for that.
Guys, I'm just gonna set my primer real quick with my second product, which is powder. This actually helps, especially if you have like scarring. It just adds like an extra layer of coverage, and also if you have acne prone skin or if you have greasy skin, I should say, it also helps to like minimize shine. But just use it in your T-zone, like where you actually get oily.
If you have dry skin, just chill. She's also doing this without a mirror, guys. So she's looking like straight into the camera. Now we're gonna do our eyebrows. You guys already know. So my next product is my eyebrow, whatever it is. So whether it's shadow that she uses, gel, pencil,
just make sure your eyebrows are snatched. Like,
yes.
One of the main things I realize is that like if you're going for like a natural look, your brows frame your face. So it's like if your eyebrows are done,
half the work is done once your eyebrows are done.
Facts, like my face automatically like transforms. So if you have thicker brows or like microbladed eyebrows, I think an eyeshadow works really best to give you that soft, you know, that soft like I didn't really do anything but just did a whole lot.
And try not to go too dark because we aren't going natural, but we still want to look light. Our next product is concealer or foundation, whichever one you guys choose to use.
I'll be using foundation
and I'll be using concealer.
So the aim is supposed to like give you like a natural clean up of the eyebrows. You're not gonna use a lot because it'll cover enough.
Yeah.
Like especially if you just did your eyebrows, you don't really need a thick concealer.
So you know you have these skin tone concealer, so no like lighter shade or anything like that. The good thing about these LA Girl concealers is if you don't have a brush to apply it with, like a flat brush, angled or straight, you can use the brush from the actual concealer, which is what I use sometimes.
So I'll be using my Fenty foundation in the shade 420. I'll put the foundation on the back of my hand, and with a very very light hand I'm just gonna outline my eyebrows. Also another tip, the way you hold your brush also has a lot to do with the type of blend that you get. If you hold your brush like up here, you're gonna get like a harsh, like your blending is not going to be as smooth. As you guys can see, you're gonna take off a lot of product. But if you hold the brush like down here, you get like a way better blend, you get way better control of the brush, and it just gives you like a softer, more, you know, natural type of blend. Tips with Cyn.
And because she's already using her brush, I'm not gonna use mine. I'm gonna use the brush from the concealer just to show you guys the possibilities, you know. Just kind of try to flatten the brush a little bit. It makes it easier to use. We're gonna do spot correcting basically with the rest of our face. So Synar's gonna use her foundation to cover up whatever dark spots or whatever she wants to cover. I'm gonna do the same. That's basically my whole face, but that's fine.
Use the amount of products to like how much you care and how like well you need to cover your skin.
Yeah.
Wherever your blemishes are like concentrated, basically apply the product there if you're using foundation. So don't just like foundation of your face unless you want a full beat face.
Yeah.
But for the more natural look, just go over where you have blemishes. I just do one pump on the back of my hand with my foundation, again in the shade, the same one I use to clean up my eyebrows. And then I'm just gonna use a beauty blender. Usually I use a brush. However, since we're going for like the natural look, I suggest using something like a sponge that like absorbs products, so it gives you like a nice soft blend. However, if you want like a really like if you want a more beat face, then you can just go in with a brush and do the same exact step.
Yeah. So for me, I'm gonna take this on my chin. I usually just like add a little bit like a dot or a swipe, or whatever. I usually like to leave some stuff like out. so I won't cover my entire face or every single blemish, just the ones that are more dark. I'm gonna be using my Morphe M536 brush to blend this up. I'm gonna let it set a little bit and dry down before I blend it out, just to increase the coverage a little bit. And this isn't meant to give you any full coverage look or any glamour shot looks. It's just supposed to help make you look a bit more refined, you know, maybe even out some dark marks that you may have that you don't really want to completely cover up or you're comfortable with showing. Because if I could, I'd wear stuff like this all the time because I don't really care if my skin is not perfect.
Same.
Sometimes. I don't usually use a powder when I'm doing like a look like this. So I use a cream highlighter. Yeah, liquid highlighter. Blend it out with my fingers again and then spray my face.
It gives you that glow from within. I like that.
When you're pouring on the cover, you need to say it done.
No, mix it as I go.
Mix.
So for all my oily people, you already know what's coming next. We have to set with powder. This is a mixture of the Maybelline translucent powders. You guys know this is my favorite powder. I prefer using a translucent powder because like pressed powders can be used, but if you're going for like a natural look, I feel like they're too cakey. Yeah. Translucent powders, it's gonna give you like a nice soft, it's gonna set everything, but it's not gonna look like you put something else on. My next product is gonna be highlighter. Mine is gonna be eyelashes. You know your girl loves eyelashes. And of course, I'm wearing my eyelashes from Bang & Beauty. Okay, so the highlighter I'm using... Did it just fall out? Guys, this is what happened to her highlighter. Oh my gosh. My $28 highlighter. Like, okay, so I like this one is by Milk. Well, it was by Milk. This is glazed and it's their shock highlighter. Oh, the pieces are crumbling. And I'll be using my Morphe M510 brush. I can hear the tears. Okay, one of the main reasons why I love this though is because of the effect that it has for like my skin tone. A lot of people don't realize like highlighters should also like be close to your skin, if you get what I'm saying. Like it gives a better natural effect. Like when you use something close to your skin tone, like something bronzier, something warmer. So I'm just gonna use a flat brush and then I'm just gonna do an inner corner highlight. With the highlighter that I use, I feel like it gives you like completion, connectivity. So I'm gonna take Sinara's e.l.f. blending eye brush because all of my brushes are upstairs. I'm gonna do the same thing that she's doing, but I'm gonna use Maybelline MASCARA. I'm just gonna take a little fluffy brush. This little one from Eco2 is nice and affordable. And then I'm just gonna blend it out. Alright guys, so as usual, I only have like 2 products left. So guys, we both applied mascara just now. Don't forget your bottom lashes. If it like gets clumpy either on your eyelashes or catch on your nose or your eyelid or whatever, all you have to do to get rid of it, which I'm gonna do, is wait until it dries. So like when you're done with your makeup or whatever, and then just take your finger and just kind of scrape it off, scratch it off. We just completed our eyelashes and highlighter, so we only have 2 more steps left. Okay, so the next product that we're going to be moving into, guys, is setting spray. So I'll be using my Remove Stay Matte Fix and Go setting spray, and I'll be using the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist with his song. I heard he had a good song. Now we're moving on to lips. We're just gonna apply a lip gloss. If you guys want to like just lip balm or whatever it is, you can do that, or line your lips. I don't usually line my lips. I don't have to, but I feel like I need to because I don't have a Cupid's one. I feel like everything goes into one. Like when I put on lip gloss, it just looks like weird. It also feels like it gives me a little power. You know. Also, I prefer using a liquid, like a matte liquid, than just using like a regular pencil liner, because I feel like one, this lasts way longer. So I'm gonna use my Fenty gloss bomb. I'm using this mint oil lip gloss. I got this from Bang & Beauty. You already know what it is. You already know who it is. You already know what's up. I'm sitting here with the owner. You know. You're so annoying. Bang & Beauty has a gift set coming out soon, guys, so look out for that. Oh, this ends up way more brown than I expected.
Let me see it in the mirror. It's cute.
This is a full beat face though, like what?
I was about to say your face.
Fully beat face.
Full beat.
Guys, I didn't do like half the steps I normally do,
So you know what I mean?
application is on 100. Hire me for all your makeup needs. I can't actually do your makeup because I don't know you like that.
Okay guys, so here's the finished look. Giving you like slight woke up like this glossy glow from within look versus
A fully beat face, kind of matte, but you know, kind of casual at the same time. There's nothing on the eyes, no concealer, nothing, just foundation went in. 8 products, too bad. Alright guys, thanks so much for tuning in. If you guys love these kinds of videos, make sure you suggest down below what you want to see.
leave a comment guys, subscribe, turn on the bell notifications so you guys get the notification every time we upload a video.
Bye guys.
Bye.